Hello, and welcome to Academic Technologies. In this video, we will give an overview of how to set up your installed Zoom application on your laptop, using our AV equipment for audio and in-room camera. Begin by logging into the classroom's touch panel using your Husky card. Remove the wireless microphone from the podium drawer. To use the in-room audio capture, either the podium microphone or wireless microphone must be turned on and used. Have your laptop open, turned on, and on your desktop screen. To display your laptop onto the room's projection screen, locate on the podium top and connect either the HDMI cable or VGA cable with Stereo Mini audio cable. This connection will send video and audio out to the classroom. Select your source of choice and then press Send to Projector to complete the connection. To use the in-room audio capture and camera feed with Zoom, locate the USB cable at the top of the podium. This is a USB Type-A connector. Please ensure that your laptop has a USB-A port or an adapter with a USB-A port. Plug in the USB cable to your laptop. This will be used to connect the camera and microphone in the room to your Zoom meeting. This is the equivalent to connecting webcam and microphone to your laptop. The laptop will usually identify this connection as AV Bridge. Next, locate the Zoom application on your computer and open the program. Sign into your Zoom account using the UW Single Sign-On authentication. Once Zoom is opened, locate the Settings menu. Currently located at the top right corner of the application, this is represented by a gear icon. With the Settings menu open, select the Video tab on the left option bar. In the Camera drop-down box, confirm that the source is set to AV Bridge. Next, select the Audio tab. Ensure that the microphone option is set to AV Bridge as well. Use the drop-down box to make changes if it is not. The input level bar below will provide a visual indication of audio being registered by Zoom. To check to see if in-room audio is picked up by Zoom, have the podium microphone or wireless microphone on and unmuted. By speaking into the microphone, the visual color bar will shift when audio is picked up. Alternatively, you can still set up the video and audio for your Zoom call after you've started the call. Go into the bottom left of the call. Click the up arrow next to the microphone icon. This will pull up different audio inputs. Select AV Bridge to use the audio from either the podium microphone or the wireless microphone. Ensure that your mic is on and unmuted on the touch panel. Try speaking into the mic in the room. If you see that the microphone icon in Zoom is lighting up green, then it has successfully connected. Next, click on the up arrow next to the camera icon. This will display different video inputs. Select AV Bridge to connect to the camera in the classroom. You will see the camera feed in the Zoom call once you have successfully connected. To control the camera in the classroom, go to Camera Controls on the left side of the touch panel to access camera settings. If controls are not present on the touchscreen, locate the Vadio remote in the podium drawer. If you're using the remote control, make sure to point the remote directly at the camera in order to control it. There will be buttons on the remote to turn the camera, adjust zoom, and to focus. Now, you have successfully connected the camera and microphone to your Zoom meeting. Once finished with your Zoom meeting, you can unplug the USB feed. Please return the wireless microphone back to the drawer. Don't forget to log out of the classroom system when you're finished with your class. We hope that this video helps you with your Zoom meetings in our general assignment classrooms. For any inquiries regarding the Zoom software itself, please contact Learning Technologies. And if you have any other questions about using the technology in your assigned classroom, please contact us at help@uw.edu.